Hey, this is Brent with Vintage Statements, and today we've got a dog dresser. Pretty cool idea. Top comes up, dog food goes in. We got a treat drawer and our dog door for our dog food. Today we're going to redo this piece, make it a little nicer. It's seen some days and age, so we're going to go through it, clean it up, make it nice again. So follow along. Alright, this thing has seen it all. It's got dog food on it. I don't know what happened to this thing, but we didn't seal it the first time, so this time we're going to seal it, make this a little bit easier of a cleanup. So the dogs have gone through this, and they've decided that they want light gray or a dark gray. I think we're going to go dark on it. So we're going to remove the hardware, pull the hinges, and start cleaning this piece up. Alright, got our sander, 100 grit paper, and we got our product. Let's begin sanding. Alright, here in Phoenix we got a little bit of sprinkle, so I had to move our operation inside here. So I've got everything taped off, everything's wiped down, so we're just going to start painting with a dark ash. Alright, it's all painted. Now what we're going to do is just wax it down and start putting it back together. Alright, here it is completed. Redone and all. Even one of the dogs is out here. We got our drawer for our dog foods. We got our treat drawer. You like that already, huh? And then we have where all our food goes. So, pretty cool design, pretty cool look. If you like this and many of our other projects, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram. And we'll keep doing some cool stuff like this. Maybe even another dog project or two.